Hi, I'm Jennifer Bradley, celebrity makeup artist. We're going to talk about what eyeshadow color should you wear. I am here at the Academy of Glam Studios in Cooper City, Florida with my lovely model, Taylor Torino. We're going to talk about eyeshadow colors. What should I wear? Well, you should probably pay attention to what color eye you have. We see here on Taylor, she has a really beautiful hazel color. She has a lot of copper, a little brown, a little touch of green in there. So we're going to think about what would really accent that and bring out her eyes. And I think the best color for her would be a pretty color like this. I'm going to do a plummy shimmer color to complement her green, gold, hazel eyes. We're going to take this color and apply it to the lid. You kind of want to think of colors on your eyes as something you want to really accentuate and bring out. And sometimes the best way to do that is to choose a color opposite the eye color on the color spectrum. Purple and green really are opposite of each other, so they complement and bring out each other. So you want to apply the eyeshadow to her lid. You can also apply the same shadow with a flat brush and use it as an eyeliner. Do this on both eyes. And there you have it. And this has been my segment on what color eyeshadow should I wear. I'm celebrity makeup artist Jennifer Bradley. Thank you very much for watching.